So I'm going to talk about SMT divergence. So basically, SMT divergence is a cracking correlation of certain pairs. So for example, NQ and ES are correlated pairs. So let's say NQ makes a low and then a higher low and then goes up. So that's NQ right here. But ES makes a low and a high and then a lower low, taking out the sell side liquidity, and then goes up. This right here is a bullish SMT. So when this happens, you can expect price to go up and take out remaining buy side liquidity levels like these. This is where when you see SMTs, you can look for your inversion fair value gaps. You can look for all your confluences to your trades. This is just another confirmation tool. And a lot of times when the market reverses, it's because of SMTs happening. So, get an example. So let's go to the 15-minute. Let's see if there's any ones. Yep, there's one right here. And as you can see, the market's starting to go down today. So on ES or on NQ, we have this high at 3:45 a.m. right here. We have buy side liquidity resting above that. And on ES, we have that high. Where's that high? Right here. So it's right there. That's that high. And as you can see, on ES, we took out the buy side liquidity resting above. But on NQ, we did not. So right here, this is a bearish SMT divergence. So what you can expect to see here is the market to continue going down, especially because we're in bearish order flow. ES is in this 15-minute fair value gap. So it's another confluence. You're in a 15-minute fair value gap. Now you have an SMT as well. We're likely to go down and take out the sell side liquidity resting here on ES and the sell side liquidity resting here on NQ. And again, let's say NQ takes out the sell side liquidity. So NQ comes down, takes out that sell side liquidity, but ES does not sweep the sell side liquidity resting below here. It kind of goes like this. Then you would have another SMT right here on both the pairs. And that would be a bullish SMT. So then you could possibly be looking for buys. Now, obviously you can't just trade purely SMT. You need other confirmation tools like this fair value gap here, where we're going bearish order flow on a higher time frame bias. We have sell side liquidity resting here. That's the London. That's actually London. That's the London low right there. The low of the London session. So I definitely see us going down here and taking out all this sell side liquidity resting right there. And yeah, that's basically it.